National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gettysburg, Hampton, Bonneville, New Oxford, East Berlin, Lake Heritage, Abridgetown, Hunterstown, Two Taverns, and Gettysburg National Military Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in State